in the gray waters of the English Channel. The RMS Olympic, once a luxury liner, now a warship, sliced through the waves carrying thousands of soldiers. Captain Bertram Hayes was alert. German U-boats were a constant threat. Just after dawn, the lookout's cry echoed. Torpedo in the water, U-boat to port. Hayes quickly spotted U-103, a German submarine aiming to sink the Olympic. Without hesitation, he ordered the ship to turn sharply and charge at full speed. The crew of U-103 was stunned as the enormous Olympic bore down on them. In moments, the ship's reinforced bow crashed into the submarine, crushing it beneath the waves. The Olympic sailed on unscathed. Having turned from prey to predator in an instant, the soldiers aboard would never forget the day their ship became a legend.